Hey guys, Richard here, Downgrid Survival. So the question for today is, how are you going to handle dealing with family, friends, and neighbors when they're out of food, they're hungry, and they come knocking? You're going to be prepped, so you're going to have food for a while, hopefully. But how are you going to talk to them? What are you going to do for them? And that's something we all need to be thinking about, because it's going to be really, really hard turning people away. I will give a little to a few, but I can't give a lot to a lot, because I've got my own family to be concerned with, and we're in survival mode at that point. So it really pulls on the heartstrings, because you're going to have family members that just dismiss the idea of prepping. You'll have neighbors that don't know anything about prepping, and then when they become aware that you've got food, you're going to have to turn them away. And of course, you got to be prepared, because some of them could turn violent. Things could get really nasty really fast. But you kind of got to put your mindset in the right place there and say, what am I going to have to do? What am I prepared to do, or what am I willing to do to defend my preps for myself and my family? And you need to think about that now a little bit. Just consider it and mull it over, so you don't have to make a quick decision when you're faced with it, and then you walk away later having a lot of regret. It's best to wrap your head around these tough decisions that you have to make, that you may have to make, and just sort them out in your mind now, so that you're better prepared for whatever may be coming tomorrow and beyond, right? So let me know in the comments what you think. How are you going to handle this? What's your plan? I'd appreciate knowing. See you in the next video.